Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve for s in this beautiful math exponential problem. 4 raised to power x is equal to 30. Can you solve this? If you can, kindly put your solution in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 4 raised to power x is equal to 30. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 30. Take note of this, that if you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. Then this can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 30. Let us divide the whole of this equation by log 4. Then we have x log 4 divided by log 4 is equal to log 30 divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. X is equal to log 30 divided by log 4. Then we can express this further. S is equal to log 30 can be written as log 15 multiplied by 2 over log 4. Now take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. X is equal to log 15 plus log 2 over log 4. Now let us split this. S is equal to log 15 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. 15 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. S is equal to log 15 can be written as log 5 multiplied by 3 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. S is equal to log 5 over log 4 plus log 3 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. 4 is equal to 2 square. And the whole of this can be written as S is equal to log 5 over log 2 square plus log 3 over log 2 square plus log 2 over log 2 square. S is equal to log 5 over 2 log 2 plus log 3 over 2 log 2 plus log 2 over 2 log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to log 5 over 2 log 2 plus log 3 over 2 log 2 plus 1 over 2. Now, take note of this, that if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then the whole of this can be written as S is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Now the SCM here is 2. S is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. This is the value of x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation: 4 raised to power x is equal to 30, and this is 4 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 must be equal to 30. Then this is 2 raised to power 2 bracket 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 must be equal to 30. These two cancel these two out. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. Then the whole of this is 2 raised to power 1 is 2 multiplied by this is 3 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 30. That is, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So we have 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6 multiplied by 5, 30 is equal to 30, which is true. And of course, you can actually solve this problem in less than 30 seconds. That is, to solve this, in less than 30 seconds, we have 4 raised to power s is equal to 30. If you take the log on both sides of this equation, we have log 4 raised to power s is equal to 30. This is s log 4 is equal to 30. Then s is equal to log 30 over log 4. Then s is equal to log 30 is 1.4771 and log 4 is 0.6021. S is equal to 2.45. This is the value of s, which you can solve in less than 10 seconds safe. Then to check, we have the given equation: 4 raised to power x is equal to 30. Then 4 raised to power 2.45 must be equal to 30. Now 4 raised to power 2.45, this is 29.857, which is approximately equal to 30, is equal to the right hand side 30. Therefore, the left hand side 30 is equal to the right hand side 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.